now. Hello, good evening. It's already late at night, but I'm a night person, so that's why. So, how are you guys doing? How is everything? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in today's video, I'm going to be making popcorn. I love popcorn. I always make popcorn. God knows why. Like, I love eating it. So instead of me like buying popcorn almost every day, so I decided to be making my popcorn myself at home. So at night I'm going to make a fresh popcorn, either when I want to watch a movie or if I want to read. So I will get the snacks beside me. So popcorn is like my best snacks, and that's what I eat for refreshment. So right now I'm going to be making popcorn. So I will be showing you guys how I make my popcorn. So stay tuned. Keep watching. So making popcorn is not that hard for people that don't know. So if you're in Malaysia here, you can, or Nigeria, you can actually get your sugar, your white sugar, your popcorn here. They've already jango, I don't know. It's still in get 90 cents popcorn. So you can get this. You can get it at OTK. You can get it on at any mini mart. Just ask them for their popcorn. And I'm going to be using butter. This is a small butter I'm going to be using. Then after doing the popcorn, I'm going to be using my milk F&N. So actually this is condensed milk. So I'm going to be mixing it with milk. Then the popcorn is ready. So let's all continue. Yeah, I think that's all. So melt your butter, add your popcorn inside. Don't let it be too much because you don't want to make everything burn. So make sure it's like level up with the butter. So just make sure there is some space in between, or if there is no space, just make sure everything looks good like this. So this is how it looks. Don't make it over full, so you can see this up. There is it. And make sure the gas is at the low heat. At the low heat. So now you're going to be adding your sugar, but I like to put the sugar at my hand. I like to put it there, so just like sprinkle the sugar, because too much of sugar also will make the popcorn burn, and that's why I'm using creamy sweetener, so that even if it's not sweet now, if I add it with milk, it's going to sweet later. So like this sugar is okay. Just like, don't put it at one side, just like sprinkle it inside, because you don't want it to burn. And that's the mistake people used to do. Like, you put a lot of sugar inside. If like you are using a popcorn machine now, I don't care, but if you are using it inside the pot, please make sure the sugar is not much. Even I will advise you not to put sugar at all. So just make sure it pop like that. Maybe later you can be mixing your sugar, but like this I think it's still okay. The sugar is not much or anything. Then next you cover it. So I'll be using cover. So I make sure it's somewhere that has space, so even if it has to pop up, it's going to be popping up. It's not going to be like down covered. And you can cover this space. Just make sure there is it's to pop it up. That's all. On a low heat, please don't forget. So I don't want you to think of like too much on it. Once you cover it, you'll be hearing it pumping like pump, 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 and pump, like you'll be perceiving the smell also. So just take it until you do not hear the pop again. So we are going to be staying together now. Maybe this thing or something. I don't even know what to talk about. But you can be looking at my face now. It's funny, morose. Keep looking at my face so you can hear the popcorn. When someone is addicted to popcorn, no problem. You'll be eating popcorn the way you like. Stop wasting your money buying popcorn every day now. You can be making it at home. So you can hear it. Pum, 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 pum. Wow. Wow, it smells good. Like, oh my god.
It's just popping.
Oh, wow. So I don't want to distract you too much. So I just want you to like maybe focus on the sound. I don't know. Until you don't hear the sound again, or the sound is sounding the way it started, because it started like 1 2 1 2 then many. So if you are not hearing the sound again, like the way it sounded like 1 2 1 2 1 2, you can just like stop the gas from running and something. So I don't advise you also to off the gas first when you hear that popping, and on it back and off it back, or on it back. Just leave it at a low heat, the lowest heat you can decide to leave it. So it did not need maybe high heat or something. So pop it on a low heat and let it pop itself. And you don't need to be checking like show t-shirt down, show t-shirt down, show t-shirt down, show t-shirt down, because actually you cannot even see it, the remaining popcorn that is on there. So you just have to wait till you don't hear any sound again. And when you don't hear any sound again, if you are thinking you're still hearing like 1 2 1 2 and you want to still leave it to be pumping, or maybe they say 1 or 2 that is remaining, then mean you give it the chance to start burning. And when they start burning, it's your fault, because I told you when you don't hear the sound again, at least you can eat the remaining hard part that doesn't pop. So it's okay. So now you can see it started like the beginning part, like 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So my advice for you now is to off it. But if you are leaving it like this, the way I'm talking and I haven't off that gas, it's like I'm giving it the chance to burn. So I'm the one giving it the chance to burn, not you. So that's it. The popcorn is done. Sorry, I've off the gas. So let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. The popcorn is done. And number 2, make sure you remove it from the pot immediately, because this pot is hot and it's going to start burning too under without removing all the popcorn. It will be burning also. So please, I've not even said where I'm going to pour it. Let me go and set it down now. Bye bye. I know, stay tuned. I will see you. So this is the popcorn. I'm pouring it now. Oh my god, I asked you to wash out. Look at the popcorn. It started burning already. I'm the one that caused all this mess. It's not that burn. It's actually burning. So you can actually see some finger already entering the popcorn. Hey! Goodness and mercy shall follow me.
Some of them are even born.
So this is the inside of the pot, so you can see I'm the one burning almost all my pots inside the house. Maybe later I'm going to get myself popcorn machine, but for now this is what I'm using for my popcorn. So the one that actually burns, not that it's burn actually burns, but it's still okay. So now I'm going to be adding condensed milk inside. So some of it I will be putting in there. It's still hot. I cannot use the hand. Sorry about that. So you think you are wasting our time. You are wasting our time. I'm not wasting your time. Please don't beg. No best. No best. I beg. So I'm pouring some popcorn inside here. I'll be adding my condensed milk here.
Sprinkle it on top.
Yeah, you can see someone is waiting behind me already saying sprinkle it on top. So here's how it is. So this one is ready now. So this is what it is. So the popcorn is ready. Oh my god.
Some of them are hot.
So it is what it is. Yeah, the popcorn is done. Yeah, look at it. The one with condensed milk is already getting to because I have so many fingers here already eating the popcorn. So please make sure you share my video, and to my subscribers, thank you for staying tuned and watching my videos. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate. And for those who have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the notification button to get notified when I post another video, and please like and share. Okay, thank you very much. Peace out.